Hi, it's Mr. Anderson here. We're going to be doing some math, some counting. It's similar to yesterday, but the numbers are a little higher, 11 to 20. And if it's hard, just try your best. And I'm going to do my best to count a little slower because that might help us um, with what we're working on, okay? All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is this 13 or is this 13? This one is. This was 12. So we're going to put 13 there. Good job. All right, next problem. Let's count the shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is this 15 or is this one 15? Yeah, this one is. This is 20. So we're going to move our 15 over there. There we go. Next problem. Let's count the keychains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is this 11 or is this 11? Yeah, this one is. This is 16. So we're going to move the 11 over there. Good work. Hang in there. Just one more. Let's count the globes, snow globes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is this 12 or is this 12? Yeah, this one is 12. This is 17. So I'm going to move the 12 there. All right. Awesome work. So we just counted how many with the numbers 11 through 20. Good work. Keep it up, and I'll see you later.